So here we are looking at one of the smaller Newcastle roundabouts, and we are heading down the A34 back towards the test centre. This is one of the areas where especially people taking the test or on lessons struggle a little bit, so I'm going to try and go over it and explain the best way to deal with it. Okay, so as you are approaching the roundabout, you will be normally heading straight. So my advice is the white line, which I'm pointing at now, just keep that to the right of the vehicle. So you're not going to cross it, but you're sort of next to it. So if you're looking at these vehicles here, and I'm going to point here, the white line, the separation line between lanes, if you follow that like most of those are, that's going to put you in that perfect position. But you will find that sometimes it's very easy, because we're used to keeping in the left lane on roundabouts, to follow the curb round, and then on this particular roundabout you will end up in a very awkward position being in the left. There is always a plan B if this does happen to you, and as you can see there's lots of traffic, and that is just go left. That will be the safest way.